and welcome to my honors Nucamp project. I've built a site using the skills we've learned, and I've used some additional features as well. So let's get started. I built a website for a solar construction business, and I've used it's my own business, so I've used content that I have. And so the front page shows a previous project for a chocolate factory. I've used Bootstrap to use dividers and featurettes to insert videos of here's a drone footage for a housing association. And I've used some pictures to show planning of the projects for a farm and our financing partners. I also used a carousel from Bootstrap, and this was particularly difficult because it had to be responsive. I had to use two CSS versions of this page to make the pictures work properly without changing size, and it was all over the place at the beginning, so that took quite a while. Again, I'm using featurettes to demonstrate different product points about the project and showcase it real nice. And I used icons that we learned from React Native to talk about two parking lots, two bathrooms, how many floors, and other details about the house. I used a third-party library to get a map into using Google Maps. I did not use the Google API. I used Redux to make a shopping cart where you can add products and it shows up in the header using the trick we learned about logging in with modals. You can Redux also took quite a while to get it to work. I got help from AI, but it was still difficult, in all honesty. And you can create an order and get taken to the next page. And here where I would like to fill in is with Mongo database to actually save the orders. You can also clear the card and you can check out. It doesn't take you to the checkout unless you have filled out the form. Well, that button doesn't work yet. I made a contact page also based on the Nucamp site. And I made a blog also based on the Nucamp site with the campsites. And here I used the .map function to get all the content. So in my in Visual Studio Code, here you can see the structure of the blog JS. And so I have the ID of each blog post, summary, an author date, and the image that I'm loading from another folder. And then I have the body in HTML format, and that's how I'm doing the blogs. And so I've done the same. The house, I did the house images this way. I built different components to mark errors, footers, headers. I did a product card, a product detail page. I did the same thing for the blog to really start understanding it better. Currently, I'm working on Final Touch, which is the hour page, but also this where you can insert your power consumption. So I'm sending this to an existing app I already have with Google Suite. So that's almost finished. But basically, you'll be able to enter your power consumption here, and it sends you the file, the quotation in a PDF. Anyway, that's my project. The biggest challenge was probably Redux, and it was also making CSS work to make the carousel work nicely on phone and screen. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to going on to Node.js.